And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 44. Let me show you how you can crop an image. At first, when you import an image, it might be locked. So you can see this little lock icon right here. You can left click on it just once and it should disappear. You can double click and rename it. Well, then we press Ctrl Z until we've arrived at the locked one. You can also just double click on the name, then rename it, confirm, and this will also unlock it, so the lock icon is gone as well. So how can we crop this image now? Well, good news is Photoshop now has the generated fill, and if we use the crop tool right here, C is the shortcut for it, in combination with it, we'll have a lot of freedom to crop our images. By the way, if you see, for example, the slice tool here, just right click on this toolbox and then select the crop tool. So C is more like the shortcut for this entire toolbox. Once you've done so, the crop tool will give you these icons on the edges, and you can left click drag to resize that. And you can also resize it beyond the size of the image. You can see that here, it gives you this checkerboard design then. There's certainly a lot to explore here with this tool, but I want to talk about the details in the next video. For now, I'll just go over the basics of cropping so that you have a quick answer if you just want to crop your images. Let's say I want to turn this from a vertical into a horizontal photo. So I'd want to have maybe something like this. I confirm via the check mark here. You can also press enter. And then we have this checkerboard. You can get rid of that by using the marquee tool. Left click drag over the area. And then you have your contextual text bar right here. Click on generate, leave the prompt empty, generate it, and then Photoshop should fill this area according to the entire image, and that should fit. Alright, here are our generated results. As always, 3 variations to pick from, and you can see they fit the image quite well. And that's about it. So you use the crop tool and this new generated fill option, and then you can crop your images even beyond the original size. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.